Do you have a mortgage? Because I'm about to change your life right now. You might want to save this video. I was today years old when I learned that if you enroll your mortgage payment to bi-weekly payments as opposed to monthly payments, you can save 20 up to 30% of the cost of the lifetime of your mortgage. Did you hear what I just said? Look at this chart. Bi-weekly mortgage payments will reduce the total amount that you pay of interest into your loan by sometimes over 5 years. Look at this example from mortgagecalculator.com. A 30-year mortgage, $100,000 at a rate of 6.5 means you'll pay $127K in interest throughout the life of the loan. If you reduce that to a bi-weekly payment instead of a monthly payment, you will drop that interest to $97,000, a savings of $30,000 over the life of your loan, which means the homeowner would have to earn an additional $42K before taxes in order to net that much money. Your mortgage payment per month is literally the exact same amount, but because it's drafted twice a month, it reduces the interest that you're paying because it's outstanding for that much less per month. Look at this example of a $200,000 loan at 4% APR. The loan would be repaid in 310 months instead of 360 months, saving you $22,553 in interest by paying literally the exact same amount of money, just twice per month, split in half. In addition to that, as a result of you paying bi-weekly, you actually pay one additional mortgage payment per year, which typically goes directly towards the principal of the loan, which helps pay it off even faster. Look, if you're a pretty financially responsible person, at the 15th of the month, you have the money for half of your mortgage payment. Some people don't, and I totally understand that. But if you do have that, to not do this is insane to me. My mortgage was locked in many years ago, so my rate is less than 4%. So for me, I'm basically getting free money. It's the cost of inflation that I'm paying in interest. But because the way a mortgage amortization schedule works and the fact that most people usually don't own a home for 30 years, you're paying a certainly higher amount of interest at the beginning of the loan, the first 5, 10, 15 years. A lot of that is going to interest. So for me, with such a low rate, I'm like, well, let me just invest that in the market. I can even put it into a savings account and make more than 4% just on a normal savings account. So I never wanted to put additional principal down unless I felt like I had extra cash and wanted to just pay my loan down quicker. But to do this bi-weekly payment, you're literally putting in the exact same amount of money. It just drafts every 2 weeks instead of every 4. I do not know how I made it 37 years on this literal planet without learning this. And you know where I learned it? Instagram. Unbelievable! Call your mortgage company and enroll for bi-weekly payments right now. Thank you for coming to my TED Scream.